Muy buenas cabros, bienvenidos para otro video de este canal. En esta ocasión estamos por fin con el tercer episodio de los perros peligro. Y sí, sé que iba a subir esa weá mucho antes, pero se me acumularon muchos proyectos. ¡Ay, qué mentira! Pero bueno, ahora me hice el tiempo para poder ver el episodio y poder dar mi reacción y sí. Esperemos que el cuarto episodio de esta weá no se suba mientras estoy grabando o editando o subiendo esto. Porque capaz que la reacción a esa weá salga en muchos meses más. Si es que sale el cuarto episodio, pero eso. Así que eso. No me quiero aplazar más, vamos al tiro al video, vamos al tiro.
Previously on Ruff Danger Dogs.
My family's in danger!
Hugo!
If my siblings had found you first, they would have ravaged the earth.
This is exactly how you chased off Ruff Black.
You came back.
Time to do something reckless.
Did you save me?
We saved you!
That's teamwork, baby!
How am I being made a fool by dogs?
Finally, Hunter!
It's time to get you guys out of here.
The Void Dynasty does not tolerate.
No, wait!
Ooh, they're almost here! Finally, 5 dogs, driven by destiny, in one room! Ooh, okay, lock in. Gotta make a good impression. Ah, Hunter! Where are the others?
Well, it's nice to see you too, Pink. I guess I beat them here. They should arrive in 30 seconds. You must be so excited. The whole team will finally be united.
I know, right? You know, I never met Red face to face. Ooh, I'm nervous. I hope he doesn't think I'm like weird or anything. And I already know Black doesn't like me. What if she leaves again? What if Black leaves, so Red leaves, and everybody blames me for being awkward and weird, and then the whole team falls apart?
Well, you just need to be yourself. Come on, you and me. This dynamic duo can wow anyone.
Ooh, I don't know if I'm ready for this.
Welcome, Red. Pink and I are so... What? Pink?
Y se fue, weón.
Hunter, how many times have I told you not to teleport me places?
Is anyone else like really nauseous after that?
Shush.
Oh, I didn't realize you guys were here. I was just doing some super important stuff.
Shoot up. Ruff Danger Dogs. El episodio 3.
Anyway, I'm glad you're here. It's super cool to finally meet you, Red.
Ew, why are you talking like that?
We've met before. Actually, we just spent the whole day together.
No, that was my hollow Pink. He's a hologram I used to do important stuff like provide reconnaissance, hack computers, order takeout.
Wait, does that mean there's food?
What is a hologram?
Anyway, you must be wondering where you are.
Honestly, I have so many bigger questions than that.
Well, for starters, this is Danger Dogs HQ.
It's the super cool home base for our team. It has all sorts of cool technology and weapons.
And what you fought out there was an evil galactic warlord.
Called it. Guy in the chair, am I right?
Stop.
And these are your teammates. Pink was the first Danger Dog. I adopted him myself. Together we tracked down Blue, found Yellow, and finally Black. Always with her. Anyway.
What? No, I'm sure she's still around. She probably just went to her room. Yeah, she wouldn't leave. I think I need a moment.
Well, that's my cue to go.
Hey, wait up!
That went way worse than I expected.
Wanna hang out? I could really use your advice.
Not now, Cece. I need some alone time.
Oh,
Cece.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Back to my drab life in this depressing building.
Oh, puta, menos mal que es depresivo.
Today was emotionally exhausting.
Tonight on another episode of Hot 20-something Island.
Ooh.
Her world turned upside down when her secret crush returns.
Ugh.
Will she confess how she feels? Or will she bed rot until somebody notices the smell?
Okay, fine. I'll go talk to her.
Okay. Breathe.
Is everything okay?
Whoa! Oh, yeah! No, totally. You should totally check out this awesome view, though.
Whoa.
Pretty awesome, huh? Welcome to Guardian Park.
It was built to commemorate the 6 Great Guardians. They were the team that...
Don't you mean 5?
No, technically there were 6 Guardians.
I think I would know if there were 6 Guardians.
Oh yeah? Well, I bet you don't even know what their weapons were.
Excuse me? I think I know more than you about their weapon systems.
How would you know more than me about their weapon systems?
Do you think we could see my house from here?
Luego ya me encantó al 100% la química de Hunter y Pink. O sea, son un par de frikis de mierda que están en desacuerdo. Siempre en puto desacuerdo. Lo amé. Creo que van a ser mis favoritos desde ahora, bueno.
What?
My house, where my family is. With this view, I bet we could totally find it.
What, this view? No. This view isn't that good. In fact, I never liked this view. You can't see anything. We should look at something else now.
I don't know.
Hey, it's Chloe. Are you in there? I was, just hoping we could talk about today. Hello? Hello? Ugh, I can literally hear you in there. I'm coming in.
Oh.
Oh.
Shush.
Oh, I thought you were black. She's not around, is she?
No, she really is gone.
Woo. I mean, not that I wanted that or anything.
Are you okay?
Me? Yeah. Why would you even ask if I'm okay?
You know what we need? A spa day. That's just the thing to get our minds off of black. Or other stuff too.
Oh, let's do it. I put the paw in spa.
Oh yeah? Well, I put the treat in to reach yourself.
Well, I put the sting in resting.
Okay, that's enough.
Or wait, I put the am in
mira.
pamper.
Bueno, se había ido.
Okay. Time to get out of here. Yep. I'm barking lost.
We should, totally hang, bro. You like video games?
Hey, Pink, now that things have calmed down, I think it's time I find my family. Are you still willing to help?
Yeah! I'll help you find them. But then he'll leave. Black will never come back, and maybe the whole team will dissolve. Hunter will finally realize I'm a loser, and I'll have to go back to being alone. All alone. Unless... I just have to keep Red busy. Yes, that's right.
Oh.
I just have to stall him. Forever!
Everything okay, buddy?
Of course!
Suda.
Can't wait.
No. Ahora Mochi va a ser el villano de este episodio. No, se me cayó un personaje, bueno. Se me cayó un perro. Ahora de momento como vamos, voy a hacer la interrupción vocal. El episodio va... ¡Uf! ¿Qué te puedo decir, weón? Me está atrapando cada vez más, weón. No sé qué más agregar, pero eso, me está atrapando cada vez más, loco. Y no te puedo creer que... Bueno, por parte sí entiendo a Mochi, bueno, o sea, el equipo está por fin completo y se quieren disolver. Pero bueno, yo siento que debe haber otro método, ¿no? Pero vamos a ver cómo continúa.
What?
Oh, publicidad.
What happened? Where am I? Oh no! I'm in a winter wonderland! And what's this? It's the brand new Ruff Yellow...
Perdón por pausar otra vez, pero... Véanlo tarde que vengo a reaccionar a esta weá, loco. Es como el meme de 31 minutos, weón. Feliz Navidad a todos.
Plush be available at makeshift.com. Deck the halls with the Ruff Danger Dogs t-shirt, acrylic stand, and stickers, along with pins, socks, and keychains of your favorite dogs. And don't you dare forget to reach out to your loved ones this holiday season with the Ruff Danger Dogs holiday postcard.
Oh.
Don't delay. Make your holiday season sparkle with all these new items at ruffdangerdogs.com. Orders not guaranteed to ship before this holiday season. Makeshift requires a 3-week window before manufacturing.
So, where should we start?
Before we get to it, I think we should give you a tour. I mean, if you're going to be here for a little bit, you might as well get to know the place.
A tour! You're a genius, Hunter. This guy, I always liked this guy.
Okay, sure. Lead the way.
This is Blue's room. It took a whole week to move all his stuff in. It's pretty nice.
Hello? Have you ever heard of knocking? We're busy.
We'll skip Black's room because she scares me. But trust me, it's awesome in there. Yellow's room is...
Yellow! How many times do I have to tell you? Thomas isn't a chew toy! How could I let this happen? Oh man, I gotta fix him.
Yeah. Hunter gets that way when he hasn't charged in a while. And this is my room. Welcome to the Mochi Zone. Pretty cool, huh?
Oh. Yeah, cool.
Last but not least, this awesome room is all yours.
Makes me sad.
Yeah, that makes sense. Moving on.
Nothing like a nice soak.
I think I'll skip the tub. Me and Bass don't really get along.
Oh, well, why don't we move on to painting our nails? Oh, right. Okay, well... Oh, I know! So, what do you think?
I love it! I've never looked so good! What do you think?
I think you look great.
Thanks, Chloe.
Of course. Okay, your turn. What should we do next?
Oh, I know! A pillow
What?
Back here, again. I guess that means you've shown me everything.
Yeah, we kinda had a small budget for this episode. I mean, wait, no, there's totally more. Come with me! Ah!
Oh, hi! I guess I needed a little nap.
Oh, yeah! Come on, Pink!
Actually, let's skip this part. And this is my streaming rig! I've got over 300 followers. like and subscribe.
Oh, and this must be that chair you keep talking about.
What? Oh, yeah! We should watch some Toku. Bro, have you heard of Jetman? I base my life on that show.
Or maybe we could start looking for my family. With your computer, I bet we could find them in no time, right?
Oh no.
Pink?
Uh-oh, looks like my computer randomly had a critical error. It says it's gonna take like 1,000,000 hours to recover. Sorry, Red.
This looks familiar. Are you serious? I swear it wasn't this hard to sneak out last time.
Wanna check out my collection of physical media?
They're already using this room as storage? Not that I care or anything. That's my trash. They kept my stuff? Huh? My bed! Right, that's how I snuck out.
Oh.
Yellow, what the fuck? This is not relaxing.
Who said anything about relaxing? This is how I get my rage out. Come on, pick up a pillow and try it. It's good for you.
All right, fine. Look out, Yellow. This is for that robot messing up my part.
I'm caught off guard.
Oh.
And for dropping a giant building on me.
This is for Red thinking he's the leader.
This is for Black saying I'm not tough.
Yeah, and for Black being weird to me all the time.
And for Black making me feel bad about myself.
Whoa.
For Black always leaving.
What the hell?
Oh no! I'm so sorry.
It's not you. What's happening? I don't know.
Creo que ya comprendí. En el fondo sí quieren mucho a Rock Black, weón. En el fondo sí quieren mucho a Black. Eso lo explica todo, loco. Eso explica mucho.
Did I show you my minifigs? I'm kind of a huge Miku fan.
Pink, I know what you're doing. You can't just keep distracting me. Look, if you don't want to help me...
No, you're right. Let me go talk to Hunter. We'll come up with a plan.
Cha. Ya tenía los dibujos y todo, po, weón.
I'm a jerk. Hey, Pink! Pink! I'm sorry, man. I didn't realize it.
What do I do? Red wants to find his family. But if Red and Black leave, we're back to square one.
Don't worry about Black.
Oh.
She hasn't gone far. As for Red, we can't let him find his family.
Oh.
Red, wait! It's not what you think! Whoa!
Sure.
Foiled again by my mortal enemy. Grass.
Dogs are supposed to be tough, not reckless. But you wouldn't know anything about that, would you?
Oh.
You guys hanging out without me?
Hi, I'm Cammy Kwan. Will you be an angel for this goodest cardboard boxer dog? Every day, they are tossed around, abused, and told to toughen up. And now, they're looking for a new box to call their home. Please, visit the website on your screen to get your very own Ruff Yellow plushie right now. We've teamed up with Makeship to help this cardboard fellow find warmth, shelter, and most importantly, love. Order before January 10th to help us hit our goal of 1,000 orders. With your support, we'll be able to keep making more episodes of Ruff Danger Dogs.
Como que ya pasamos un poco la fecha, ¿no? Yo creo que ya consiguieron el tope máximo de peluche.
Right now, there's a cardboard boxer dog that needs you. Your order tells them that they're the toughest dog you know. Please order. Right now.
Shit, weón. No, pero pues no le peguen, no le peguen.
How is this park so big?
Hey! Sorry, just come back. I can totally explain.
Pink, move! Get out of my way! Wow!
Oh! Ah! I wasn't here.
Oh, pero weón. Mierda, weón.
Oh, it's you.
What the bones are you doing here?
I could say the same to you. Why aren't you with the others?
I'm going to find my family.
And how's that going?
Well, what about you? What are you doing here?
I don't know. We did a good job today. I thought I'd stick around. In case something attacks again. If you tell anyone I'm here, I'll rip your head off.
You really think there'll be more monsters like that one?
That wasn't the first time something attacked.
So you're going to stay with the team?
I don't know. Are you?
I'm just trying to keep my family safe. I guess that's what we did, isn't it? Do you know the way back?
Yeah, follow me. But remember, if you tell the others, I'll bark and kill you. I'm kidding. But seriously, don't test me.
Chuda,
And I thought she came back because of me. Such an idiot.
You are not an idiot. You're the smartest, prettiest dog I know. If she doesn't get it, that's her problem.
Thanks, Cece.
Cece.
Ew, why'd I go first? What's going on with you?
I just want to be a danger dog. I want the others to know that I'm tough.
Where is this coming from? Is this because of what Black said? Cornchip, you are the toughest, scrappiest, most dogginest danger dog I know. You prove it every day just by being yourself.
But what if the others don't think so?
Ugh, then bark the haters. They don't define you. You're the real thing. No matter what anyone else thinks.
I needed that.
I've got you. Okay, enough of us feeling sorry for ourselves, right? We gotta shake it off.
There's still more pillows.
I think we need something a little less destructive. Ooh, I've got just the thing.
It's me. I'm the real villain of the story. I was the twist antagonist all along.
Pink, you're not the twist bad guy. Keeping the danger dogs together is important. We just maybe went a bit overboard.
I can't be the villain. Imagine what I'd look like in black spandex. I look like a garbage bag. You came back! I never doubted it for a minute. I knew you wouldn't really. I'm sorry, Hugo. It's just being a danger dog means everything to me. It's literally all I have. Otherwise, I'm just some basement-dwelling hikikomori wannabe loser. I guess I was afraid if you left, everyone would follow, and I'd have to go back to being alone. But that wasn't fair to you.
It's okay, Pink. I mean, I definitely know what it's like to have something be the center of your whole world like that.
And I just meant that if you go to your family now, then the bad guys could find them too.
But look, we can at least find out where they are. What info do you have? Do you know where they live?
Yeah! Our house!
Yeah, right, but like, where?
Well, I usually sleep in my owner's bedroom.
But like, what's your address?
Home?
Home.
Maybe we should pick this up in the morning. Why don't we go see what the others are up to?
In the end, friendship was what they needed all along.
Ugh, I don't remember inviting you all here.
Aw, come on, Blue.
Fine.
Bro, if Black were here, this would be a great team building experience.
Hey, move your head. You're blocking the TV.
Whoa.
Oh, I can't believe he went back to Stephanie!
Stephanie, no!
All right, watch the ears.
Oh no. Los villanos, por fin, loco. ¿La nueva amenaza? ¿Quién será? ¿Quién será?
My accursed family. How could you do this to me? They've taken my shard. They've taken everything. Is it your turn, brother? Have you come to gloat too? My shard. What game are you playing? My power!
Oh.
My unlimited power! It's not over yet! I will destroy the Danger Dog!
Here comes our danger dogs. Down by the later.
Our bravest heroes learn to trust and face their mighty fears. And the danger dogs are here. He's a breeze when things go wrong. Black is fierce and yellow strong. Red is hot and daring blue.
And the iconic blue.
When there's danger, who can save you?
Rob brought the Danger Dogs. Qué buena canción.
With the fire, danger dogs.
¡Feliz Navidad! ¡Feliz Navidad! ¡Feliz Navidad, cabrón! No sé, vengo a hacer esta weá demasiado tarde, perdón. Pero mira qué bonito es. Y bueno, cabros, eso fue el tercer episodio de los Danger Dogs. Espero que os haya gustado. Ojalá que salga el episodio 4 y descuiden, no pienso demorarme 7, 8 meses en subir la reacción a eso después de su salida, así que eso. Espero que les haya gustado este video. No olviden suscribirse, no olviden darle like, no olviden comentar todo eso. En la descripción estaré dejando el link hacia el video original si quieren ver el episodio sin mi voz, mi cara y todo lo demás. Así que eso. También no olviden ir a mi Instagram, que es donde paso más activo. Y también no olviden pasar a mi canal de Kick, donde estoy haciendo streams cada tanto. Y eso. Espero que os haya gustado este video. Nos vemos.